Quick installation instructions. Main parts introduction. Blackbody optional. Intelligent dual light temperature camera. Power plug. Network cable. Power adapter. Tripods for camera and blackbody. Step 1. Set up the tripod. Step 2. Match the dovetail foundation with the base part of dual light camera. Step 3. Then fix the camera to the tripod. Make sure the locking mechanism is fastened. Step 4. Plug in the network cable of dual light camera. Step 5. Plug in the power adapter of dual light camera. Step 6. Match the dovetail foundation with the boldface base. Step 7. Then attach the camera to the tripod. Make sure the locking mechanism is fastened. Step 8. The blackbody will prevent infrared thermal imager side front to 3 meters. Step 9. Connect the power and turn on the switch. Adjust the device temperature to 36. Click End. Step 10. Extract the fever siren file package. Step 11. Install the fever siren software. Step 12. Copy the license file. Step 13. Paste the file to license folder which in the software installation directory. Step 14. Run the software as an administrator. Step 15. Input the serial number. Step 16. Modify to the corresponding network card. Step 17. Open the video. Step 18. Black body setting configuration completed.